Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any new video that I post. Also, do leave me a comment on my comment section. Thank you so much. Today I'll be talking about kissing. But before I go into the topic for today, I would like to take us to the book of Song of Solomon, the book of Song of Solomon, chapter 1. I'm going to read from NLT translation. NLT translation. It says, "Kiss me and kiss me again." It said, "For your love making is sweeter than wine." I'm going to take you to another translation. It's a God's Word translation. He said, "Let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth." He said, "For your love expression, for your expression of love is better than wine." And I love the next translation is NET. NET translation. It says, "Oh, how I wish he would kiss me passionately." He said, "For your love making is more delightful than wine." I'll be talking about kissing, adding kissing in our love making sections. For believers, for Christians, for couples, we need to introduce kissing into our love making sessions. If you've started it, thank God. But for the people that haven't started yet and you've married for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, going to 20, and you haven't started, I will advise you to start. Let's stop jumping in and out. Please, let's do the right thing. So I have 5 types of kisses. There is loads of them, but I just decided to pick these few because I noticed that for beginners, this will really go a long way. But for the people that have matured in it, it might not be okay for you, or you might want to add it, add a few things to it. That's fine by me. But for beginners, this will be so great in your lovemaking session. The first one I have here is the cheek kiss. The cheek kiss. This type of kiss is a cultural kiss, whereby they use it to greet friends, family members, or visitors. But you can also use this type of kiss in your homes, in your marriages, on your partners. You can gently kiss your partner on the cheek, and this can go a long way. If you haven't started, if you don't know how to do it, there's a great way to start. The next one is the neck kiss. This is amazing if you have done anything wrong and you're looking for a way to make up with your partner. This is a great way to start. Gently kiss your partner on the neck when they are on the couch, watching TV, or your partner, your wife in the kitchen making lovely meal. Just gently go there and give her a soft and a gentle kiss on her neck. This can or might, smoothen things up in that issue that you're having. The next type of kiss that I have here is the lip kiss. It's basically a playful one, at the same time is intimate move, to leave your partner, to leave your husband, to leave your wife wanting more. Just, kiss your partner on the top of his or her lips. They will love it. Add this to your lovemaking session. The next one is the French kiss. This will involve saliva. It's where the tongues extend to your partner's tongue. It requires movement. It requires tongue. It involves tongues, and it requires saliva. But my advice is be careful not to give away too much saliva. Practice this type of kiss. Don't just jump into it. practice it. They say practice makes perfect. So practice it, and then you will get better. Add it to it, and not too much saliva because you will put your partner off. The last one I have here is the lizard kiss. This type of kiss is basically the more intense, version of the French kiss. And to execute this one, you need more practice. You need more and more and more practice. Because you have to stick your tongue in and out of your partner's, mouth at a quick pace. So that's why I said you need a lot of practice. You don't just, jump into one. So if you're a beginner, start with the cheek, the neck, and the lips one until you are comfortable in going further to French and lizard kiss. Let's get it right. Let's add this to our lovemaking session, and it will be amazing. Do your bit and leave God to do His own bit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. God bless you. Bye.